Carnival Cruise Lines, they have canceled an entire month of sailings for the Carnival Vista. So let's get into it in today's cruise news. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, Carnival Cruise Lines has announced they are canceling 1 month of sailing for the Carnival Vista so that she can go in for an extensive dry docking. All right, so all sailings between January the 7th, 2024 and February the 10th of 2024 have been completely canceled, and all guests that are impacted by this cancellation, well, they have already been notified by email of what their options and choices will be. In our continuous efforts to enhance our product, Carnival Vista has now been scheduled for dry dock. As a result, we're sorry to inform you that your reservation has been canceled. Now, guests will be able to rebook a stateroom on a similar cruise in a similar stateroom and will have price protection, and this can be on board either the Carnival Vista or a comparable vessel. Now, guests who choose to rebook their sailing, they are also going to receive a $50 onboard credit, up to $100 per stateroom. And any guests that don't want to rebook can of course receive a full refund of any of their cruise monies paid. Now, Carnival has not released exactly what work is going to be performed on the Vista while she's in dry dock. We know that the Vista has been plagued with some engine problems that has reduced in reductions of speeds, missed ports, all over the Azipod engines on that particular ship. So hopefully that is something that they're looking at, maybe making some improvements and repairs to that system so that the Vista no longer has engine issues. And of course we'll include, regular maintenance, upgrading interior areas, public spaces. The Vista will also get her new paint scheme and anything else that she requires. The Vista went into service in 2016. The last time the Vista was dry docked was in 2019, and that was for an engine repair. They used that floating dry dock in order to take care of that. This time it'll be a full dry dock process. And like I said, hopefully we'll include some of the troublesome issues they've had with the Azipod engines on the Vista. Now, right now, the Vista is sailing out of Galveston, Texas. By the time she gets ready to go to this dry dock in 2024, she'll have already moved from Galveston over to Port Canaveral. Once the dry dock is finished, she'll return to service back in Port Canaveral, looking clean, looking refreshed, looking updated, and ready to return to sailing with paying passengers on board. Of course, anytime that there are canceled cruises, it can have a negative effect on people that were planning to take a vacation, especially people that book years or more in advance for an upcoming cruise. The only good thing I can say is at least Carnival is giving us over a year's notice that these cruises are going to be canceled. It's not something that's going to happen here in 2023, so it's not a month away. It is over a year away, which means at least folks will have the opportunity to either select another ship, another cruise, or rebook to another time. Since the Vista is sailing out of Port Canaveral there in Florida, at least there are other options, other ships that they can choose from if, that's a specific vacation time that they have to take. And it is a good opportunity for the Vista to get a little bit of a facelift. All right, that's going to be your quick cruise news for today. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.